I don't know what is the problem with some people. I don't know what is their problem. It's your anger all the way from Carol. Share, and subscribe, okay? I go drag if it looks, I'm not dragging, but if it looks like dragging, then so be it. But it is a woman like me. She can speak for herself. She's single, I am single. Do you understand? I don't think she's a baby mama. But there are main issue on social media. And Two-Face, Indibia, and Brahimo. You this stupid asshole man. Why can't you go and put your mouth in that one? Are you the woman I'm addressing? Why are you so pained? What is your own that you are saying the girl is good, she know how to walk? You this idiot. You look like gorilla. You look like a chimpanzee. If anybody is telling you that you are cute as a man, they are just, I'm serious. I can't stand you. I've been seeing you all over the social media trying to, do you understand? You are, I just feel for you because you are a gorilla. What is your business? I'm addressing a lady in my earlier updates that you don't take for the street. Ó ti wà lórí títí ọlọ́dà to be this professional classy runs babe. Everybody know who she is. She might be claiming to be a presenter. This professional classy run babe. Ó ti wà lórí títí ọlọ́dà. E don tey, no be today. How can somebody be on títí ọlọ́dà wey don tey, no be today? You know brand. You use every little bit as avenue. Why you no relax? I'm addressing a woman like me. Even when you just now I was on Instagram, you updated her interviewing you. Why can't you show that video? Because she will have put out all the breast again. Any human being goes, you don't have these are my level. If BB Naija household want to host is different. Grammy used to do a party before Grammy Awards Day. That party is gonna be, it's gonna be bomb. Do you understand? Lots and lots, even though people that it's below anybody might still come, lots of people is gonna, that is that you can, if you like flaunting boobs, you can flaunt your boobs there or anything. But when they are saying this candidate of BB Naija household, you use your connection, you are opportune to conduct interview. That one need no of showing, exposing almost for what? That is what I'm telling this lady. Do you understand? Even your name is viral, is so famous more than the way you are projecting yourself. We have men of people of substances out there, especially ladies of your age type, who are also decent slate queen. How do you think they will be? What do you think will be going on in their mind towards you? Do you understand? I look at a lot of you who are cheaping yourself these days. You claim to be slave queens all over social media and can go on and on. Patty Bulai, we all know the former ambassador of Lux. Patty Bulai, she did not. Do you understand? She might not be a Nigerian. Do you understand? She's an American, half Nigerian, half American. Patty Bulai. Her daughter also won the most beautiful girl in Nigeria. Go and Google Patty Bulai. Those are wonderful ambassadors for all these different brands. Patty Bulai knew better. Do you understand? She would rather she wears she wears skimpy more than you. You are a learner because she was raised and born in America and all that. But she knows her class. All these billionaires that are man enough, they are older than her. That is who she projects herself for. She will never stoop so low. Yes, she too used to conduct a lot of occasions that she will be asked to go and interview, even though she's a model, she's a musician, she's an actress, partially international star. She doesn't go there and start doing unnecessarily. She knows what stands an occasion. What do you understand? But all of you, I don't know what, especially Nigerian girls, or especially when you are able to have viewers on social media, you people don't bother to orientate yourself appropriately. I've been watching her not only in BB Naija on several occasions. Avenue that is uncalled for. Ladies, ask yourself a question. When you wear in the name of trendy, you expose everything. At times it will only cover your nipple. Ask yourself, does it worth that scene, that scenario? Why am I like this moment? Keep asking yourself. And if your answer is no at times for that occasion, then not every avenue. She's not the only one, but because the way she is famous, we all know her, Toke Makinwa and all that. Do you understand? her name is more popular than what I expected from her. So she's a woman like me, she can speak for herself. And do you understand? I know there is always two sides to a coin. She might comply, she might not comply. Let her speak for herself instead of you chimpanzee, idiot. You that have seen all over the social media, you have been trying to have my attention. I just look at idiots like you. When we are talking of cute men, are you among? So I want to address Nigerians. Yes, the lady that got married as a virgin, there is one Mary Ibe, I don't know. Her husband came on social media that her wife is a virgin. They did it in the first night. Congratulations, guys. Shout out to you guys. I cannot say more than that, okay? But shout out. I don't know why people are still against you guys. I'm tired of Nigerians. But we have been seeing a lot of lamentation of Nigerians, agony and all that on social media severally. I just saw another one. But I've come to encourage you people. There can never be peace for Nigerians unless on just one condition. You people, I don't know why you keep saying, coming on social media, how you are being, harassed or brutalized by so-called officers, name it, or all this terrorism here and there. You people, you support evil, and evil will not depart from you. You support rape, you support fraud, you support a woman that is happily married with 3 children having extramarital affair. We were all here on this social media. All of you supported her, saying the man started it first. A woman that have gotten 3 issues in a matrimony, and you know that the husband is famous. You know that the husband famous is different from somebody being your fan. There is nowhere you will mention the record label of the husband, especially when you were former in the group. Somebody like that sleeping around, you supported her. It will never be well with all of una. You are not saying, police arrested me in Iwapata, they took me to Iwo Road. Una never see anything. They took my money. I used to fall for it before. I will come and cry on social media. You people are evil. You will support fraud. You will support rape. Somebody that still married her wife as a virgin still came on social media and still batch am. Wetin una come want? Nothing wey una no dey support. People go cry despite that it's too shameful to come out and talk what has happened to them. The innocent girl has been brutalized just because the guy is a celebrity. Thank God the case is still in court. You supported it, and Nigerians, you are groaning. Una never wallahi. It's just of recent that the Lord opened my heart to some things. Stop supporting evil. That is why I respected this country. We are having public holiday today, which is Thursday. I mean, yes, we are having public holiday today. The 6th, we are celebrating every 6th of October. How when they had victory over Israel. They had war with Israel, so they won. In the reign of Sadat, former ex-president of this country, the late Saddam, they had victory over Israel. So we are celebrating. So that is why the government of Egypt gave us public holiday every 7th of October, although it happened on 6th of October. That is what they will stand together come what may. Nigerians will never do that. Will stand together for where? Evil is evil. Spade is a spade. Stop saying some people are celebrity. You will hear fraud issue. If somebody will come out, I'm duped. I am duped by somebody called celebrity. I used to speak to him before. He has duped me this morning, and you know that these people doesn't have nothing. You people will come out and batch that person. Let's see me. Do you understand? Until the day you people start standing for the truth. Look at the update I just did this afternoon. Addressing a lady like me. A stupid man came. The girl is good. Leave this Maria of a thing. You think I don't know it's me you are shading? Even me, I won't give you any popularity. It will never be better with your forefather. She's a woman like me. Let Toke Makiwa speak for herself. What is the propaganda of exposing breasts for no reason? For no reason. It's her life, I know, but there are some things that when I don't understand, I will come on social media, I will update. She's a woman. If you know that you want to be a man, Utu Fesundibia and Brahimo, musician artist Brahimo Arambe tí mo fẹ́ that they are dragging themselves now. Even court is involved. Go and put your mouth in that one. Why are you putting your mouth in woman issue? So fellow Nigerians, una go where tí rí nǹkan kan olórí burúkú olòṣì nìyí. Una go support evil. A married woman, I don't know what you are turning this life into. Married woman, and you know how hardworking. I don't care what is transferring between she and her husband. How can she stoop so low after 3 children? Even if the man is not a famous man, even if you are the one feeding the home, that's why I respect a lot of Nigerians in this Cairo. There is one lady like that I know for a long time. Despite that, this lady, she's the one feeding her husband. She has been cheating on the man. The man no get work for this country. People make sure they drag her out of that home. I swear. Even me, I was begging all our friends that maybe you have tried to tell the old man, and the man is an elderly man. The man is 6 years older than I am. They have been telling the man, whenever the man go to bar to drink, that your wife, the woman wey born your pikin for you, how are you sure na you get the pikin? The lady dey sleep around until people, you know, the woman look like empty one fẹ́ǹlù tó ń dárin. She now went to her concubine's house again, carrying pikin. She was half naked, tying wrapper. Pikin dey o, she and concubine just fuck finish. Somebody knock concubine door. Maybe that person trace and come. She was so the lady has gone to Nigeria now. She no get shame. She still go open door. Na him the Liberian guy saw the Nigerian girl wey dey come. The Liberian two guys scream. They quickly went to all the Nigerians. They go wait for am. If you see the way they beat, they say na their sister man be that concubine wey she go for. Liberian guys, if you see the way dem beat am, they still carry am go meet the husband. They separate them o. Especially on social media, somebody that is married wey dem pay in dowry, he cheated on the man. You cannot una go hear when me I no care. But any agony again, me I no go come on, including the idiot comedian wey dey talk say they nearly kill me from gunmen. They never kill you, olórí burúkú. Who dare you say you safe? E no go better for you. Gone are the days wey I go come on social media come dey cry say kini we our people, we are bad. Kilo dey. We will see truth like this, we go against am. Come and try Egyptians here. They might be low lifers like we used to call them. They no take any nonsense. Nothing can scratch their. They stand for together. Say, no, this one we no fit take am. Especially when it is vice versa between them and foreigner. We are on public holiday. Is today not Thursday? Yes. Tomorrow is Friday, abi. We are on public holiday today. So this is my own wey fear God, wey be my own personal person. Continue. I thank God. The grace of God is enough for me. I'm not ready to be moved by their train. The grace of God is enough for me. So that is it. I'm perplexed in the spirit. Nothing, we no fit update like this. We go find person wey go attack us. Wetin una wan want? Na all the problem we are facing all over the world today na because of wickedness. Our people have seen that you people dey support. Now na police dey gang rape o, na police dey do armed robbery o. Celebrity the other time, a whole Grammy winner. If no be say Grammy people dem be first class olórí burúkú, a whole Grammy winner is an armed robber. He be beating a boy at the club, taking his money with his bodyguards. Taking the guy's money with his expensive chain on his neck. So as I was saying, me I no fit gbadagbada for myself. If I dey flaunt for my level. No be say I go come dey talk say na me dey send Wizkid amala. I go still come dey open breast for Wizkid wey you dey send amala. Be no be the thing wey you talk Toke Makinwa. Na you dey send Wizkid amala that time wey Wizkid never blow. But na their level you still dey open breast for. Which kind useless life wey you no package, wey you no move forward, wey you no brand? Avenue of everything. Desperado. I gotta go, guys. Share. May the Lord open our eyes of understanding. When clean guys, when if you feel like flaunting that you are beautiful, people wey come below your level, if they ask me to go conduct interview because na celebrity or bb naija's household now I must to open breast, God forbid. All these people too, then they use you for market, they get sense. All this brand, I gotta go. I love you guys.